Dogecoin, Doge holders, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. We're going to dive into something very interesting here happening with Dogecoin and Robinhood. Of course, Robinhood was the place of choice to buy your Dogecoin in 2020, 2021, and it still holds a lot of it. And we're going to dive into some of the specifics here. Now, prices are rolling back here after Jay Powell recently spoke here this morning. So Dogecoin's price down about 1.5% right now, which is about where the overall crypto market is, down 1.25%. You got Bitcoin sitting here at 22,248, down about a half percentage point in the last hour, down 1% in the last 24. And this is what I want to talk about, though, in this video, guys. Robinhood now holds 24% of all Dogecoins, of all Doge, dominating the Dogecoin network. So many people just have Dogecoin sitting on their Robinhood account and they're letting it sit there. Robinhood has recently secured its place as the largest holder of Dogecoin in the world. The company currently holds $2.5 billion worth of Doge. 2.5 billion with a B. This is a significant increase from just a few months ago when the company held on only a fraction of this amount. Now they own roughly 25% of the circulating supply. Doge has been moving in a descending triangle chart pattern over the last few months. This usually is characterized by lower highs and a horizontal support level. The price of Doge has been approaching the end of this chart pattern and is expected that this might soon cause a volatility spike. Robinhood themselves have not been accumulating the crypto, but simply holding funds that users deposited. The total amount held could also be distributed among numerous wallets. Of course, we're still waiting in the wings to see what Elon Musk is going to do with Dogecoin too. We expect him to really get this train moving again. Perhaps it'll happen during the next bull market. Here's the thing. Don't forget, it's easy to lose sight of this, right? Because we've been in this bear market for a while now. But when the retail money comes back into crypto, Dogecoin is one of those cryptos that I believe will still move significantly. It's been known for its high volatility since it burst on the scene, wild price swings. The recent accumulation of Doge by Robinhood has sparked speculation that the company may be preparing for a significant move on the crypto market. We've talked about that with Robinhood's moves more and more into crypto. Some analysts actually believe that the company's massive holdings of Doge could lead to a significant increase in the crypto's price. Despite its recent surge, Dogecoin is still a relatively new crypto, but not that new. It's been around since 2013. As a result, investors should exercise caution when investing in the crypto, no matter what. I do think Dogecoin will have its day again. Will Doge get to $1? I think it should in due time, right? But we have to wait for that retail money and that retail demand to really come on the scene again. And we're waiting for that major catalyst for Dogecoin, right? Will it be used for Twitter payments? How will Elon implement Dogecoin? We know he loves it, and that helps solidify it as a crypto that's still in the top 10, ranked number 9 right now. But we have to be patient when it comes to all of crypto right now because it's a highly volatile asset class that is battling with the same things that the stock market's battling with: inflation, recession fears, and what have you. But the fact that Robinhood now owns 24% of all Dogecoins, they are dominating the Dogecoin network. I want to get your thoughts and your opinions down below. Also, I want to get your thoughts and your opinions all the time. Make sure you're subscribed right here to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you know every single time we put out another video and or go live. Let me know what you guys think, Doge Army, down below about Robinhood now holding 24% of all Dogecoins. $2.5 billion worth of the circulating supply. Pretty crazy.